Unique property in Fairview. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home sits on a 1/4 acre. Some of the features are as follows: oak hardwood floors throughout, excluding the bathrooms, eat-in kitchen that has flexibility with this layout, a laundry room with shelving for your pantry is right from the kitchen. Open floor plan that is suitable for large gatherings of friends and family. 2 primary bedrooms with en-suites. There is an office off of the living space with French doors that can easily be whatever you need it to be. Some of the exterior features are a partially fenced yard right outside the kitchen doors, with a deck, paver patio area, and additional deck off of one of the primary suites. Great walkable neighborhood, go to the library, get groceries, get an ice cream or beer and a local food truck dinner. This home can also purchase the tiny house and 0.11 acres. See MLS number 4,114,705. Enter into flex space. Vaulted ceilings. Kitchen area. Open shelving. Kitchen breakfast bar.